It's shame on you. If I come here, my home collect no talk they there.
You now.
You can listen. The thing is, I think the mentality we have as Nigerians is, if we say we don't know, then we are less of a person. That's it. That's just really the way it is. We're not everybody. We learn every day.
We need to change that narrative. We need to let people know that it's okay for you not to. As a matter of fact, if you tell me you know, I question you. Because nobody knows it.
Sometimes the inferiority complex and all of that. Well, how would they feel?
Exactly. No, it's okay to ask. Even those that know will respect you more if you actually ask the questions than assuming that you know. Because they are willing to always impact knowledge in someone that don't know. They want to work with you because they know they can add value to you. If you claim you know it all, they feel okay, fine. Since you know it all, that's it. Here's how you're doing. Inni here. I'm here with a superstar. I'm here with Abosede, also known as Dr. Mommy. She's an amazing person. We met on social media. Obviously, she reached out and was like, I went through her page. Trust me, when it comes to financial literacy, when it comes to financial decisions, your health, your finances as well. Otherwise, she's an expert in that as well. We're going to be picking up base today to kind of see what she's about and how you can learn from her. What's the name, man? Again, I already told them your name. Tell them they want to know from you now.
My name is Abosede. I'm known as Dr. Abi.
Dr. Abi or Dr. Mommy.
Dr. Mommy.
Dr. Mommy. Dr. Mommy is better. Tell us what you're about, just a little brief about what you're about and what you stand for as well.
I'll just give a brief background of myself. Professionally, I am a master degree registered nurse. Work on the floor for about 15 years. When you work and you're up and down, we forget that we are valuable. What we work for is not as valuable as we protecting ourselves is more important than anything that we can make. Because what's the point of me making all this money or all these aspects? Not protected. Health-wise, it's important. We live in America. This is a country that has different opportunities. As immigrants myself, there are certain things that I did not know. Situation led me to.
Certain things we don't know. I want to know one or two things that you think we should know as an immigrant, as a Nigerian, as Africans in general. What do you think? One or two things you think we should know, lessons we can learn from your experiences?
The first thing is protecting ourselves. How do we protect ourselves? I wasn't born like this. I didn't come to America like this. What I have learned from this situation is that if we fail to God forbid, we have to have a plan for the people that we love, for ourselves. Many people go through my situation and they never make it. What happens is basically getting a life insurance. It's as important as getting an insurance on our life, if not more than important. Because what's the point of me protecting my car, when I get in an accident? The car, they pay for it. I'm in a hospital, broken bones. Who pays for me? The income, my family. How do I pay the mortgage? How do my kids continue to go to school? Because we have a standard that we already created for our children. If something happens, that standard we lost. Life insurance is not about that. It's about love, it's about care, it's about protecting ourselves. We can actually benefit from it while we are still alive. Even if we don't want it, I don't have anybody to leave that money for. We can use that money like this.
Is there a specific type of life insurance we need to get? Things happen. You might lose a loved one, you might go unforeseen accidents and stuff like that. Is there a specific type of insurance we need to have in terms of sustainability and not charging a lot while we're still alive and well?
There are different types of life insurance. They all have their purposes. One is more better than the other, depending on each individual's situation. Some people have mortgage. They're paying mortgage. They can get a term life insurance to cover that mortgage. If something were to happen to them, that insurance paid off that mortgage, the family keeps the house. Some insurance, you get it. I want this benefit for my children to have this kind of create something called it's permanent life insurance. You pay for the rest, not pay, you have it for the rest of your life. The extended life insurance is for, you can get it for 10 years, 15 years, 25, 30 years, temporary. There's permanent life insurance, whole life insurance, there's the index universal life insurance. Index universal life insurance is good because it has the life insurance part, it has an investment part. So the investment part grows as it does need time, it requires time. So it grows over time. You are able to take money out. Tax free. Also, you can borrow against the death benefit. If anything were to happen, like accident, critical illness, or chronic illness, the policyholder is able to take 90% of the cash value. I'll say, for example, you have a 500,000 value, you are able to take 90% if there's a critical illness. If there's a chronic illness, which people have stroke, they're not able to do what they used to do before, they're not able to bathe themselves, they get about 25% every month until they're able to go back. Those are the things I won't do now. That for me, I have to start all over. If we have, we are rest assured, even if anything, God forbid, we have a sick. For people who have businesses, there's something they call key person. Getting the policy on the key person of the business. If something were to happen, the business will continue to go on. So most businesses will collapse if the key person, something happened to the key person.
This doesn't just insure the person, it insures the business as well, it insures the family. And I think this has been overlooked in Africa as a whole, being African as a whole as well. We think we're not going to die. We think a natural disaster can happen to us. We just think we're immune to sickness. These things happen. We need to be rest assured we have some type of insurance for our loved ones, for ourselves as well, too, for our businesses. A legacy to keep going after, God forbid, anything happens to us. Well, again, before we leave, give us two things you can leave for Africans. We're focusing on Africans right now because obviously we are African, Nigerian. What would you leave for an immigrant just arriving in the United States?
So the first thing that I would tell them to do is, once you secure yourself a job, do not rely on your employer's insurance. Educate yourself about the system of this country. What do they do here? Successful people, what are they doing? It's not just about hard work. It's about knowing, understanding the structure of the system. Because most of us, we don't understand the structure. We don't understand the system. We're just running and then we hit the wall.
Understanding the structure, the system, and people before you have done stuff. And I think the problem we have as Africans is we think we know more, we don't want to learn. The pride becomes a lot, and we are ashamed to ask people for help as well. Again, assuming whoever is watching right now has that syndrome, right? When you tell them, how will you advise them?
Do not be afraid to ask.
Yes.
Learn that the hard way. I am do it by myself. Listen, you pay more if you don't ask.
Yes.
There's no shame in asking.
You pay more if you don't ask. Listen. I'm learning too. Listen. It's been amazing talking to you as well. If you want to learn more from our page listed below here, give her a follow, right? That message is always active. She will respond to your messages as well. She has the listen, if you're trying to make money, if you're trying to any type of insurance, she's your person. Tested and trusted. Say something for
yes, here I'm always available to talk to people, to educate.
Yes.
My mission is education. To educate and empower, not just finances, education to help people find scholarship. What can we look at? I just want to empower. So available 15 minutes, we can schedule a Zoom call and we can go over options.
You hear that? So Enhanced Technologies, listen, we make sure we partner with people who are willing to help the community as well. Send us a message, right? We'll always link you up as well. If you have any type of questions, we're here to help you as well. So people watching, see you on the other side.
Thank you.